Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to add and subtract radical expressions. Okay, so now let's look at the first example. Our goal is to try to square root out any number that can go into 90 and the most you can square root out. So let's see. 90, okay, if you see 90, you will break it into 9 times 10 because 9 is the highest, the greatest perfect square number that will go into 90. Okay, and the second step, you look at 20. You would do 4 times 5 because 4 is the greatest perfect square number that can go into 20. And then if you see 162, you would know it will become 81 times 2. Okay, and now you can see square root of 9 is 3. So the first term, the square root of 9 becomes a 3 and comes out and leave square root of 10 inside. The second term, square root of 4 becomes a 2. Don't forget you have a 4 in the front. And then leave square root of 5 inside. The third term, square root of 81 is 9 and leave square root of 2 inside. And now you can see you can combine the integers. You will have 9 square root of 10 plus 8 square root of 5 plus 9 square root of 2. And remember, this is already your final answer because square root of 10 and square root of 5 and square root of 2, they are all irrational numbers and they are treated like x and y and z. They cannot be combined anymore. So that is your final answer. Let's try the second example. You can do the same thing. Find the greatest common perfect square number. Find the greatest perfect square number that can go into 12. I would do 4 times 3. The second term, 32, I would do 16 times 2. The third term, I would do 36 times 2. Basically, when I see an even number, I would try to divide that even number by 2. If I happen to see my result is a perfect square number, then I'll stop there. Okay, so now you do the same step. Square root of 4 is a 2. Leave square root of 3 inside. Square root of 16 is 4. Leave square root of 2 inside. Minus square root of 36, 6. Leave square root of 2 inside. And now here you can combine the integers. You get 18 square root of 3 plus 20 square root of 2 minus 6 square root of 2. Make sure you know these two are like terms because they are both about square root of 2. So the final answer is 18 square root of 3 plus 14 square root of 2. You can think about like you have 20x minus 6x. Then your answer is 14x. And the other one is like a y. They cannot be combined anymore. So that is your final answer.